Here at the plant, we specialize in bear leather. Our unique tanning process ensures the highest quality finish, as you can see right here.
Check the telemetry readings on sensor 3.
Readings are stable. Uploading the data now.
Confirmed the connection is solid.
Mark time, subject passing waypoint 3.
Confirmed. Logging data now.
She seems calm enough. Still foraging.
Yeah, getting some good footage.
Collar is secure. Vitals are stable. We are good to go.
Input the parameters now.
Done.
Initiating hydraulics.
How are the internal temps holding up?
Stable at 45 degrees.
Copy that.
We should reach the next checkpoint in 30 clicks.
Steady, boy. Step up onto the platform.
Weight registering now. Looks good.
The bear indicator is flashing red across the board.
We need to initiate the cell protocol immediately, and we're losing millions.
Look at Bear A's readings here. Does that look consistent with the intake data?
Let me cross-reference the laptop records. It seems slightly elevated.
Scan complete. The luminescence levels look good.
All right, I've logged the data. The ultrasound looks clear. Vitals are stable. Good.
Good. Let's finish the scan and check the blood pressure.
How are his vitals looking? Everything is stable. He's handling the sedation well. Good, let's check his reflexes. Check the alignment here against the specs.
Tracing the line now. It's within tolerance.
Okay, confirming the input sequence.
Monitor the stabilization levels here.
Adjusting parameters now. Levels confirmed. Closing the chamber.
Mark that quadrant for UV analysis.
Reading stable here. Moving to the next section.
Check the edges here, make sure it's centered before it hits the press.
Yeah. Looks good. The texture is consistent.
Check the consistency right here.
It's within tolerance, but note the variation.
Look at the flow rate here. It's fluctuating.
Yep.
I'll adjust the pressure regulator now.
Monitor the pelt temperature during the adjustment.
The speed is stabilizing now.
We need to increase the tanning agent concentration on this section. It's not taking evenly.
Okay, I'll make a note for the next cycle.
Pallet 681 verified.
Confirmed. Move this shipment to cold storage.
Okay, lower it slowly now.
Watch the left side. Make sure it clears the edge.
Gently pull the hide further back so we can examine the layering. Okay, I have it stabilized.
Look at the RPMs on that third arm.
Yeah. It's holding steady at 1500.
All right. The finish quality is excellent. Are we ready to start the cut sequence here? Just finish the alignment check. Ready when you are.
the efficiency has improved significantly this quarter.
The new sorting algorithms are clearly making a difference.